so what we've done is we've created a project, and now what I want to do is I want to connect additional assets to that project. I can do that by connecting to a Git repository, which we've talked about previously, or at any time I can add additional data sets. So for example, I'm looking at a Mints data set that is locally downloaded. I can always add to the data sets that should be included in my project. To do so, I can simply click on the Add Asset button. If it's an asset that already has a path defined in my account, I can simply add it and then it'll get added as an asset. Or if I would like to add a new one, I can simply create the link by clicking the Add Asset button, giving it a name, selecting its source, whether it's local or in cloud repository. In this case, I'll just pick a local path. I'll click on where to find this data set. In this case, I'll just use the data set that's located in my, it's in my data folder. So you do have to point to the folder level. And when you do that, and this will just be a simple CVS, data and data folder, simple CSV. So I can give it a tag if I would like to, tabular data, to keep my set organized, and then it's now added to my project. And when I add the asset, it's now added to my particular project. All I have to do now is actually close the workspace and restart the workspace. So I would stop it and then restart the workspace, and it'll show up in my sidecar in Jupyter as a new data set that's added for working. It's that simple. There we go. So Jupyter will load, and in the data fabric folder, there's my new data set, and I'm able to pull it in and start using it however I need to use it. So it's that simple to add folders and data set objects to AI Studio.